Hello students, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. So this is the today's MCQ. Which of the following infects both skin and hair? And if you have marked option C, that is both, as the answer, you are absolutely right. So most of our students answered it right. I'm very happy. And yesterday's question was, what is edema of the subcutaneous tissue called as? So the answer for that is, the right answer is yes, it is angioedema. Very good. And yes, what is the edema of the subcutaneous tissue? That was the question which I asked. Paniculitis is inflammation of the subcutaneous tissue. So yes, your answer is related to subcutaneous tissue, but it is inflammation of the subcutaneous tissue which is called as paniculitis. Okay, please make a note of this, Dr. Aditya Singh. So there is a simple trick to remember this. So dermatophytes are Trichophyton, Microsporum and Epidermophyton, and they are going to really love to eat keratin which is present in skin, hair and nails. So basically, in any structure where keratin is present, the dermatophytes can infect and produce a manifestation clinically over the body. Either it could be in the skin in the form of tinea, in the hair we specifically call it Tinea Corporis, and in the nails we call it as onychomycosis. So out of these, the simple trick to remember is Trichophyton name consists of tri. So this is going to infect and affect skin, hair and nails, all three structures. Whereas if you observe carefully, Epidermophyton, the letter E is very close by alphabetically to H. So this will think, अरे भाई मेरा आसपास रहने वाला hair H letter है, तो इसको क्यों तंग करना है? So it will spare hair. It will only infect skin and nails. So likewise Microsporum also thinks, अरे M and N मेरा बाजू वाला N है nails, so why should I infect and why should I bother nails? So this will also spare nails. So Microsporum, they are going to infect skin and hair, they will spare the nails. Okay, so if this trick is helpful for you to remember the concept of dermatophytes and the structures which they infect, please do hit that like button, friends. At least I expect 20 likes, and if you want more of these kind of videos, in the comment section please post hashtag DrMSD, and you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is tomorrow's MCQ 438 followed by your answer in the comment section, please. You can join my groups, the links are there in the description. Thank you so much. Myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas. Happy learning. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpam. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.